Let me tell you a story. Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur. A small coffee shop. A woman at the counter asked me a question. Simple question. 3 words. She said, "Did you want sugar with that?" I smiled. I nodded. I said, "Yes." But inside, my heart was racing. Not because of the sugar, because of the word did. I knew the word. I studied the word. But in that moment, my brain froze, and I walked away with my coffee, without sugar, just because I was scared to speak. That day, I made a promise. I will never let 3 small words control my fear again. Today, those 3 words are my friends, and I want you to meet them properly. Do, das, did. Not just as grammar, as confidence, as power, as your new voice. Let's start with do. Do is not a word. Do is a mirror. Do reflects what you do every single day. When someone asks you, "Do you speak English?" they're not asking about your certificate. They're not asking about your grades. They're asking about your habit. And this is where most learners make a mistake. They think, "I studied English for 5 years." But that's did. That's past. The question is do. Right now. Today. This moment, let me give you examples from real life. In a coffee shop, do you take milk? Do you want it hot or cold? Do you have a loyalty card? At work, do you work from home? Do you need help with that report? Do you understand the deadline? At home, do you live alone? Do you cook every day? Do you watch Netflix in English? With friends. Do you like hiking? Do you play any sports? Do you want to grab dinner? And let's not forget the negative, because sometimes the answer is no. Say it with me. No, I don't drink coffee. No, I don't work on Sundays. No, I don't like spicy food. Feel how easy that is? Don't equals do plus not. One small word. One strong meaning now. Let me ask you something deeper. Do you believe you can be fluent? Don't answer quickly. Think about it. Because your do shows your reality. If you say, "I do practice every day," you will improve. But if you say, "I don't have time," that's also your reality. Do is honest. Do doesn't lie. Do shows who you really are. Now, let's move to does. Do is about I and you. Does is about he, she, it. And this is where many students get confused. Why? Because in our languages, the verb doesn't always change. But in English, one letter changes everything. Examples from family. Does your mother speak English? Does your father work from home? Does your sister live with you? At work. Does your boss give you feedback? Does the company provide training? Does your colleague need help in study? Does the teacher explain well? Does this lesson make sense? Does the course include speaking practice in public life? Does this train stop at Central Station? Does this restaurant serve vegetarian food? Does the store open on Sundays? Now, listen carefully. I hear this mistake every day. Students say, "Does he likes coffee?" No! No! Remember, dazore carries the S. The main verb stays naked. It rests. Does he like coffee? Does she work here? Does it rain a lot in London? Say it with me. Does she dance? Yes, she does. Does he play guitar? No, he doesn't. Does it matter? Yes, it does. And when we say no with does, he doesn't smoke. She doesn't eat meat. It doesn't work. Doesn't equals does plus not. One word. Clear. Strong. Now we arrive at the most emotional word, did. Did is a time machine. Did takes you to yesterday, last year, 10 years ago. When you say did, you're talking about something finished, something completed, something that ended in the distant past. Did you go to university? Did you learn English at school? Did you travel abroad as a child? In the recent past. Did you eat breakfast? Did you sleep well? Did you see the news this morning? At work. Did you attend the meeting yesterday? Did you finish the project? Did the client approve the design? In relationships. Did you call your parents? Did you meet your friend? Did you tell her how you feel? But here's where did becomes powerful. The negative. I didn't understand. I didn't know. I didn't try. Say then, with me, I didn't give up. I didn't stop. I didn't listen to the voice that said you can't. And remember, when we use didn't, the verb goes back to present. We don't say, item went. We say, I didn't go, because did already carries the past. The verb rests. Let me tell you about my did. Did I feel stupid in 2019? Yes, I did. Did I want to give up? Yes, I did. Did I cry sometimes? YESI. Did 바토리슨. 바토리슨. Did I continue? Yes, I did. Did I improve? Yes, I did. Did I change? Yes, I did. Your did is not just your past. Your did is your proof of survival. Now, let's do something powerful. Let's take one action and see it in 3 times. The verb. Speak. Do. Now. I speak English every day. I don't speak Arabic at work. Does. Now. He speaks fast. She doesn't speak German. Did pass. I spoke with her yesterday. I didn't speak in the meeting. Another verb. Work. Do. I work from home. Does. He works in a bank. Did. I worked last weekend. Another verb. Eat. Do. I eat healthy food. Does. She eats only vegetables. Did. We ate at that new restaurant. See. The pattern. The time controls the verb. And the helper words do, does, did control the time. Now, stand up if you're sitting. Yes, stand up. This is not a lecture. This is training. Repeat after me. Look. In the camera. Say it like you mean it. I didn't speak well last year. I do speak better now. Does that mean I'm perfect? No, it doesn't. But did I improve? Yes, I did. Feel that. That's not grammar. That's growth. Let me show you how these 3 words work in real conversations. Situation 1. At the airport. Agent, do you have your passport? You. Yes, I do. Agent, does this bag belong to you? You. Yes, it does. Agent, did you pack it yourself? You. Yes, I did. 3 questions. 3 answers. Perfect English. Situation 2. Job interview. Interviewer. Do you have experience in sales? You. Yes, I do. Interviewer. Does your current job require English? You. Yes, it does. Interviewer. Did you work with international clients? You. Yes, I did. You just got the job with 3 small words. Situation 3. Meeting someone new. Friend. Do you live in this area? You? No, I don't. I live in the city center. Friend, does your brother live with you? You. No, he doesn't. He studies abroad. Friend, did you grow up here? You. Yes, I did. I was born here. You just made a friend with 3 small words. Let me ask you something honest. Why do we fear these words? Because they ask us to commit. When you say, I do, you commit to your present. When you say he does, you commit to your observation of others. When you say, I did, you commit to your past. And commitment is scary. What if you're wrong? What if you make a mistake? But here's the truth. I learned in that coffee shop in Kuala Lumpur, mistakes are not the opposite of success. Mistakes are part of success. The person who never makes mistakes never speaks at all. The person who tries, the person who says, I did it wrong, then says, I will do it better tomorrow. That person wins. So, let's go back to 2019. Back to that coffee shop. If I could go back to that moment, if I could stand in front of my old self, I would say, do you want sugar? And I would answer, yes, I do. Does it cost extra? And I would answer, no, it doesn't. Did you ask clearly? And I would smile and say, yes, I did. You are not your past mistakes. You are your present effort and your future fluency. 3 small words. Do. Does. Did. Your present. Your world. Your past. When you control them, you control your story. Now, before you go, ask yourself, do I want to improve? Does this lesson help? Did I learn something today? I want to see your answers. I want to see you commit. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Do you want to speak fluently? Yes, you do. Did you start today? Yes, you did. And that is more than enough. I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep going. Keep growing. Keep speaking.